Hello adventurers, welcome back to the channel. I'm Sawyer.
I'm Danny.
Together we are McPeek
Adventures.
Today we are in Catoosa visiting the famous Blue Whale. What do you have to say about that, Danny?
I'm ready, let's do it.
Let's go adventuring. So imagine this, you're driving down historic Route 66 way back in the day, 1970 to be exact, and you look over and you're like, what is going on in this little pond? Well, let me tell you, a man named Hugh S. Davis, who was a zoologist at the Tulsa Zoo, decided he was gonna make his wife a really cool anniversary gift. And what was that anniversary gift gonna be? It was gonna be this blue whale. So, Hugh got with one of his friends, and in 1970 they started building this creation, which is steel and basically homemade or hand-mixed cement, and they started forming the Blue Whale of Catoosa. And once they were done, this is what they had. So 1972, you come rolling down again and you're like, holy cow, now I know what that was. It's the Blue Whale. I'm in the mouth of the whale. There's the tail. There used to be a ladder to climb up on top of this.
So this spot was originally intended to be for private use for the Davis family, but it became popular by locals and people driving through. So it did become a business, and in the late 80s, I think I read, it stopped becoming a business and then it just became a tourist attraction. People used to be able to swim in the swimming hole, and there used to be a concession stand, and it was just a popular place for people to come and swim and hang out, and they had picnic areas, which they still have that, but now it is just something you can walk the path and walk into the Blue Whale, and then you will walk right back off. People also are fishing in this pond. It's catch and release only, so there are still fun things you can do, at like what we are doing right now, which is filming and taking pictures, but there she is.
Once upon a time, it looks like you were allowed to climb up this hatch. There's also a couple of slides. These were probably used heavily way back in the day. They don't currently allow you to go swimming in here. All right, adventurers, this concludes our time here at the Whale of Catoosa.
If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more of our content, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our social media platforms.
We'll see you on our next adventure. Bye, whale.